really the best part for me is having my sweetheart here with me.
Hello, and thank you for joining me on another one of my adventure travel series videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dmitry and I'm an American expat living in the Philippines. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you on an exciting adventure of the time-lapse traveler.
Wait a minute.
So here we are at the resort. Unfortunately, Khrys isn't here yet. She's going to be coming in later in the evening. But I'm just spending time here with Niño.
Hi, Khrys. I'm sorry.
Yeah. It's late lunchtime for us, or early dinner, or as I like to call it, dinner. We got some pork belly and lemongrass chicken. This lemongrass chicken looks really delicious. Looking forward to dig into that. The weather is really beautiful. It was raining like crazy earlier, but not in this area. Here, it looks like not a drop of rain fell, but when we were on the way, it was raining so hard with crazy loud thunderstorms. But right now we have basically ideal weather. It's not too hot, it's just right. So let's dig in and enjoy this food.
Bye.
Come on, Khrys, that's not so bad. Really? That's not nasty. No, come on, don't say that. Aw, he's cute, really, he is.
Don't wait for it, just let it happen.
Just trying to feed a little animal.
A cat having an office chair or 2 cups of good hot.
Well, after feeding the cat and, feeding ourselves also, the food was great, by the way. Now we're going to go to the beach and fly some drone. Wow, what a beautiful laguna. This is amazing. I really hope I can fly here. If after this you get to see a nice drone video, then I guess it worked. Bad news, I guess. There's a no-fly zone because it's too close to the airport. The view here is really gorgeous, and to be able to fly over this laguna and over these boats would have been a nice treat. There's always, next time I have a chance to fly, there's going to be a nice aerial view of whatever location I'm in. Let's check out some of the animals here on premises. Whoa! That's a welcoming reception they have for us. Oh my god. That's nice.
Go away.
Wow. What's wrong with you, buddy?
I think they're asking for the Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, right. I had no idea these things can be so loud. Well, that's the zoo that they have over here. Oh my god, look at that, they're savages. Look what they eat.
Asthma?
Hey buddy. What are you up to? Alright Niño, it's been great hanging out, so... You had a good time here?
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed the dinner?
Yeah, thank you for dinner.
Now it's unfortunately time for you to head out to the airport. And I'll see you...
On Monday.
I'll see you back in Manila. Alright bro.
We should practice it.
Yeah, we should practice game.
Alright.
Alright. Take care. Yeah, now I just have to wait for Khrys. See you, man. So one thing about that resort is that, as you can imagine, it's actually pretty expensive in there, and the food and the drinks. So to save a little bit of cash, I decided to get some beers in this place over here. It only seems like the sensible thing to do. They're actually like less than half the price of what I paid in the resort, so that's a good way to get some drinks. Yep, this is the life. Nothing like having cheap beer in an expensive resort. Tastes all the sweeter for it. What to do is kick back and enjoy myself here by myself for a little while until Khrys comes over. Then we're going to be enjoying this place together. She really needs a break. She's been working so hard. And me too, actually. Just finished up with the job tour that Niño and I had here in Cebu. So now we're just going to kick back. Unfortunately, Niño is on his way to the airport right now, flying back to Manila. Meanwhile, I'm here by myself. Well, not really by myself. Mr. San Miguel is here with me. We're going to be enjoying this place for the next couple of days.
Sadly, Khrys had her flight delayed and she arrived in Cebu only around midnight, so you won't get to see her until the next video in this series. I spent the rest of the evening just relaxing at the resort and doing a little local exploration while waiting for her arrival. In the following 2 days, we got a chance to relax on the beach and then went to explore some neighboring resorts for some additional sightseeing and to look for a seafood restaurant that Khrys was craving.
This is the lapu-lapu fish.
These are some of the things that you'll get to look forward to in the next video before we went boating, snorkeling, drone flying, and exploring the historic sites of Cebu the day after that. In the meantime, I'm going to close out the video right here. I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you did, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the bell icon so you will be notified of the upcoming videos. Always take care of yourselves and each other, and you can always look forward for more exciting videos coming at you from the Time-Lapse Traveler.